Hi Rainbows! Welcome to the Cloud House. I'm C7 Lucas and you are watching Feel at Home.
Folks, welcome to the Cloud House. My name is C7 Fian and you're watching Feel at Home.
Name: Julio Lucas Garcia.
My name is Fian Andre Guevara.
Nickname: Jules. Most people from TikTok call me Jules because that was my first username on TikTok.
And you guys can call me Fian or Dre kasi sa TikTok ko, yung username ko doon is Dre. So makikita niyo naman yun.
Birthday: November 4, 2007. So I'm an 07 baby.
My birthday is June 7, 2011.
Zodiac sign: Scorpio. Actually, today ko nga lang rin nalaman na Scorpio ako.
And yung zodiac sign ko is ano nga ba? Gemini. Gemini.
Status or mood at the moment? As of right now, I'm feeling happy because there's been a lot of things na magandang nangyari sa life ko the past days.
Status or mood at the moment. I feel happy and kalmado at the same time. I don't know why.
Color. My favorite color is probably green kasi yun yung color na nire-represent ko sa loob ng group namin.
Color? Sky blue or indigo. Sky.
Favorite food? Chicken. Kasi who doesn't love chicken, di ba?
Favorite food? Siguro kare-kare kasi I like it. Basta yung taste ko.
Favorite drink? Sparkling soda or just soda in general because I like soda because I drink it every time bago namin mag-perform and pampa-energizer ko kasi yung soda eh. Pampa-hype kumbaga.
Favorite drink ko? Something jelly na may nata. Basta.
Ice cream flavor. Vanilla or cookies and cream because I like to keep it plain and simple and vanilla is yummy.
Ice cream flavor. It's either vanilla or cookies and cream. Kasi cookies and cream kasi talaga halos nakakain ko pag nag-ice cream ako. So, ayun. Cookies and cream.
Hangout place. Probably the basketball court or sa court mismo kasi pag naglalaro ako mag-isa or when I'm playing with my friends, nakakaisip ako ng peacefully and nag-enjoy lang ako kasi it's the sport I love.
Hangout place. Siguro sa bahay nila Kuya Kai kasi super solid doon yung bahay nila. May swimming pool and katabi ng bahay nila is my court. Tapos ang ganda pa ng view ng house nila. So ayun, every time na nag-overnight ako dun, feels good. Kuya Cairo.
Bad day treat. Hanging out with my friends or seeing my friends because when I hang out with them, I just become me and I'm very comfortable around them.
Bad day treat. Siguro pag masama yung araw ko, I'm just on my phone. Like, wala talaga akong ginagawa. Di ko na lang pinapansin. Naglalaro na lang akong mga games, on my phone.
Weekend activities, trainings and workshops because that's all I do sa weekends. We don't rest during weekends. We work during weekends. Yeah, so we do trainings every weekends on dance and singing.
Weekend activity. Siguro puro training lang naman kami pag may activities kami. Puro training lang naman the whole weekend. Puro workshops. Yeah.
Favorite celebrity? Ann Curtis. Kasi crush ko si Ate Ann. Like, she's so pretty.
Moira. Pila to. Basta si Moira.
Favorite song? Tara Na, our first original song because every time na napapakinggan ko pa rin yung song na yun is hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na I was there, I'm singing and I'm on Spotify, you know that vibe, that feeling, hindi ko talaga maalis sa utak ko yan every time I hear that song.
favorite song, syempre yung song namin na Tara Na, yung single song namin na Tara Na. Kasi I still can't believe it na narating ako sa ganito. So, yeah.
Favorite band or singer? Siyempre, Beanie. I'm a big Beanie fan and kabisado ko lahat ng songs nila, kabisado ko lahat ng members nila, and yeah, I really like Beanie kasi grabe na yung pag-promote nila ng Philippine pop and ng OPM musics, not just in our country but internationally na also. And someday, we hope to be just like them.
My favorite band or singer, siguro SB19 kasi sobrang galing nila. Pinapakita nila yung Pinoy pride and mas napapromote nila yung Pilipinas. So, SB19. And
Favorite movie? My favorite movie is probably Toy Story and Part 3 kasi I really enjoyed watching that movie nung child ako, and actually up till until now is napapayak pa rin ako dun sa last part ng movie nung iniwan na ni Andy yung mga toys niya kay Bonnie. So, yun, that scene touches my heart, man.
And favorite movie, siguro Conjuring. Actually, hindi ko alam eh. Kasi I'm more on to horror movies kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang. Bakit? Horror movies. Basta.
TV show, SpongeBob. Cause who doesn't like SpongeBob? Everybody, siguro lahat tayo, nung lumalaki nanonood tayo ng SpongeBob, and it's very funny and relatable. Kaya, SpongeBob.
TV show. Siguro, ano nga ba yung cartoon yun? Oggy and the Cockroaches. Yeah. Kasi nakatawa eh. Oggy.
Role model. Probably my mom and my nana, which is my lola. They're my role models kasi it's not easy raising lots of childrens and lots of apo. So, salute ako sa strength nila and sa will nila na magpalaki sa amin lahat.
Syempre, yung role model ko is yung nanay ko kasi sobrang lakas niya and grabe yung supporter niya sa akin. Kahit anong gawin ko, basta supporter siya, nandyan siya para sa akin, and basta, sobrang lakas niya ng babae. Independent woman. My mom.
Favorite word? As like I said, mom or ma, cause every time I call them, I'd be like, Ma! Or Mom! Where are you? I'd be finding them always.
Favorite word? Siguro boy, kasi pag tinatawag ko yung mga ka-members ko, sila, Lucas, tinatawag ko sila, boy, ano ginagawa mo? Boy, paano yung steps? Like, ganun. Basta. I call them boy.
Favorite sound? Favorite sound? No sound at all. When it's complete silent. Because when it's complete silent, nakakatulog ako agad. And me, I'm a big sleeper. I'm a big sleepyhead. So, I like to sleep every chance I get.
Pero yung pag matutulog ka na, pag gabi na, tapos uulan, alam mo yung tunog na yan? Yung basta umuulan, tapos gabi na.
Favorite smell? You know that smell pag nagpapagas kayo? Gasoline. It's like weird smell pero sobrang, I don't know, ang bango niya na ewan.
Basta yung bagong libro, yung amoy nun. Alam niyo naman yun, so yeah.
Favorite sight? Pag nakikita ko si crush. Joke lang. Favorite sight when I see my friends, when I see my loved ones. Yeah. And kasama si crush yun.
Siguro yung rainbows kasi pag nakikita ko sila, tapos iningitian nila ako, nakaka-relief lang kasi nila. Pag tinitignan nila ako, basta, rainbows.
When I'm happy, I jump around and scream a lot. Yeah, that's literally what I do when I'm happy. Kasi parang kinikilig ako, or when I feel excited, ganun ginagawa ko.
When I'm happy, I get clingy. Parang maingay, tas puro tawa. Tas maligalig. Yun.
When I'm sad, I listen to music. Cause through music, nakakaisip ako like, paano ko mapapakalma yung sarili ko, or how will I be happy again? And paano ko matatanggal yung sadness na nasa mind ko? So yeah, I listen to music.
When I'm sad, Siguro nakikinig rin ako sa music.
When I'm mad, I don't punch in people. Like, nagiging masungit ako, and maybe it's just because of my eyebrows or something, pero they say na I'm getting sungit pag nagagalit ako or when I'm mad. And for a short period of time lang naman, grabe, nagiging happy na ulit ako pag okay na.
Mad? Wala, tahimik lang rin. Parang sasad. Parang wala, di ko sila papansinin. Tapos magsiselfon lang ako para, ayun, malimutan ko yung nangyari.
My worst habit is probably, you know when ginising ka na ng nanay mo, tapos babalik ka ulit matulog. I do that every time may training or pag may school. Bumabalik ako, I go back to sleep kahit ginising na ako.
My worst habit is biting my nails. Kasi ever since bata pa ako, ganun na talaga ako eh. Nung pinanganak na talaga ako, ganun na talaga yung... Basta kahit baby ako, may picture akong ganun, promise. Biting my nails.
The best thing about me is probably my eyes. If physically speaking, my eyes. Because lots of people have been complimenting me with my eyes. Like, they say I have beautiful eyes or pretty eyes. And which I'm very grateful na napapansin nila yung little details or yung mga facial features ko.
The best thing about me is I'm cool. Cool kid. So,
I feel most excited when we're gonna perform or may performance kami na aabangan kasi meron na naman kaming aabangan na magpapasaya kami ng people or we're gonna do something that we love again. Magpa-perform kami and we love performing. So, sino hindi ma-excite to do something that you love, di ba?
I feel mas excited when magpe-perform na kami sa mga mall tour or basta pag may mga ganap. Excited talaga ako kasi nakaka-hype up talaga. Tapos, I also get most excited when may bago kaming choreo or new song na ilalabas. So, yeah.
Most embarrassing moment. I remember one time we were training, tapos nasa bandang huli na kami ng song and may step doon na magninil kami. Tapos nung pagka-kneel ko, my pants ripped. Nag-rip apart yung pants ko, gumanon siya literal. And yung malas na part pa doon is, hindi ko siya pants. Hiniram ko lang siya kay Johan. And which like sorry naman ako nung nasira ko yung pants and okay lang naman daw sa kanya. So yeah, ripped my pants during training.
Siguro when I was grade 6 or basta, I don't know, I forgot eh. Pero ang naaalala ko is nung umiinom ako sa tubigan ko and then umupo ako sa upuan ko, bigla siyang natumban, bumigay yung tornilyo pa yun. Tapos tinawanan ako mga classmates ko, like the whole class is looking at me.
What's your favorite scene or moment from your life so far? Probably the time na we performed during Grand Fans Day, because that was like a big welcoming moment for me, or a big eye-opener moment for me. Like, oh my gosh, ito na guys, ito na yung start ng journey natin, ito na start ng new beginning, new chapter for us, Cloud7, and really stoked, really shocked nung time na yun, and looking forward to more events with my guys.
What's your favorite scene or moment from your life so far? Siguro nung nahanap ako ng manager ko, kasi kung di dahil sa kanya, hindi ko maabot yung mga pangarap ko. Kasi dahil rin dito, naabot ko na unti-unti yung mga pangarap ko eh. And, ayun, I'm just happy na nandito na ako. Yeah.
What's one fear you've overcome and how did you do it? One fear na na-overcome ko, siguro, performing in front of lots of people. Because growing up, I was never a dancer, I was never a singer. Yeah, I love to speak in front of people, pero ayoko mag-perform, hindi ako sumasayaw, hindi talaga ako kumakanta. Pero along the way, as my journey continues with Cloud7 and as an artist, siguro na practice ko lang yun and na perfect ko yung pag-perform in front of people. Yung confidence, yung aura, and yung energy lang habang nandun ka sa harap ng people. Yun lang naman kailangan ko eh, pag nasa harap ka ng maraming people.
What's one fear you've overcome and how did you do it? Sa EK, siguro yung extreme drop doon kasi may secret fear ako eh. Basta ako naging bento nun, secret fear. Secret fear ako na fear of heights. Hindi ko talaga pinapakita sa iba na na takot ako talaga. So ayun yung extreme drop. Nung binaba na kami, takot na takot pa talaga ako doon. Pero tinry ko pa rin kasi once in a lifetime naman yun eh. So why not give it a try? So yeah.
From me to Rainbows, I've always wanted to tell you that I may not be vocal or very showy, that I'm very thankful for you guys. Very thankful. Kasi kung hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano namin kayo na-appreciate and yung mga small things na ginagawa nyo sa amin is napapangiti talaga kami. Like, sharing our stories or reacting to our stories, liking our TikToks, our posts. It really means a lot to us kasi someone out there is appreciating the talent and effort we want to spread and give to you guys. So, I really, and we guys, my group, we really appreciate that.
I've always wanted to tell you na I'm super thankful na nandyan kayo palagi para sa amin and lalo na yung mga efforts nyo para sa amin na appreciate talaga namin yun. Tsaka yung mga small things na binibigay nyo para sa amin na appreciate pa rin namin kahit pa paano. And ayun, your Rainbows hold a special place in my heart. So yeah.
That's all for today. 456, we are Cloud 7. Salamat po!
Simula na magbago nating pahina. Dating panaginip ako'y nandito na. Alam kong mahirap dahil sa duda. Salamat di ka bumitaw sa musika. Parang may